What if your entire pool basically runs itself while you just relaxed and enjoyed it? From AI-powered cleaners to floating luxury gadgets, these 15 pool upgrades are so good that you will wonder how you ever lived without them. Number 15. INTEX Smart Pool Water Analyzer. Testing your pool water with paper strips is now a thing of past. The INTEX Smart Pool Water Analyzer tends to monitor your pool 24/7, making water care easier than ever. Just place it at the pool, connect it to Wi-Fi, and lets its built-in sensors continuously track pH and chlorine levels. Updates, alerts, and treatment recommendations are sent directly to the INTEX Link app. For smarter automation, you can pair it with compatible INTEX filtration and saltwater systems, which in return give you cleaner water, healthier swimming, and less time spent on pool maintenance. Number 14. Beatbot AquaSense 2. Ultra cleaning pool doesn't have to mean wrestling with tangled hoses or spending your weekend skimming leaves. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra takes care of it all for you. By using Hybrid Sense AI pool mapping and 27 smart sensors, it learns your pool's layout and follows the most efficient path. It thoroughly cleans the floor, walls, waterline, and floating debris. The clear water clarification system helps to keep the water crystal clear, while AI automatically adjusts to dirt, sand, and leaves. When it finishes its task, it parks near the surface for easy pickup. Number 13. PoolCandy Splash Runner Motorized Lounger. Who said pool floats have to stay in one place? The PoolCandy Splash Runner Motorized Lounger makes every pool day like a mini vacation. Instead of drifting wherever water takes you, you can glide around the pool with the push of button. Its dual motors let you move forward, reverse, spin, and turn with ease, while its upgraded propellers deliver smoother handling and extra speed. With a comfortable backrest, lumbar support, built-in cup holder, and space for up to 300 pounds, it's just a perfect way to relax, explore, and enjoy the water all afternoon. Number 12. INTEX Pool Canopy. Nothing ruins pool time faster than blazing sunlight. The INTEX Pool Canopy fixes that in minutes. If you ever wished for a little shade without leaving the pool, then this canopy is a simple solution. It simply clips securely onto compatible above-ground pool frames in minutes and creates a cool, comfortable spot to relax. The UPF 50+ fabric helps to block harsh sun, while its waterproof, durable design stands up to everyday summer weather. It's one of those small and simple upgrades you will appreciate every sunny afternoon. Number 11. SEPETREL Pool Pole and Leaf Skimmer. Even with a robotic cleaner, leaves somehow always find their way into the pool. That's where the SEPETREL Pool Pole and Leaf Skimmer really shines. It's easy to collect more leaves and debris in single pass due to its wide scoop. Its deep, fine mesh net can catch everything from bugs to small dirt particles. It is lightweight, comfortable to use, and sturdy enough for everyday cleaning. The easy clip connection snaps onto any standard pool pole in second, so you can have less cleaning time and more time enjoying your pool day. Simple, reliable, and incredibly satisfying to use. Number 10. Ledge Lounger Signature Chaise. Have you ever wondered that how luxury resorts make poolside relaxation look so effortless? This is one of their secrets. The Ledge Lounger Signature Chaise is made for shallow tanning ledges, letting you stay cool while lounging in the water. Constructed from tough UV20 resin, which is resistant to fading, cracking, and chlorine and salt water. Its ergonomics design keeps you comfortable for hours, while the fill and drain system anchors it securely in place. It doesn't just look luxurious, it feels like your own private resort. Number 9. Solar sun rings, solar heating rings. Cold pool? No thanks. These floating solar heating rings use nothing but sunlight to naturally warm your pool throughout the day. These transparent layers of each ring capture the sun's energy and conduct it immediately into the water beneath. They are small, portable, and really easy to store compared to heavy solar covers. Better still, you can attach multiple rings with magnets for wider coverage. And water anchor technology prevents water rings from circulating. They also reduce evaporation and help preserve your pool chemicals, saving both energy and money. Number 8. JBL Charge 5. JBL Charge 5 outdoor blasts surprisingly loud with an outdoor design speaker. It features a dedicated tweeter, long excursion driver, and dual bass radiators for rich, room-filling sound with impressive low-end powering. Rain? No problem. Pool splashes? Doesn't matter. Its IP67 waterproof and dust-proof design is made for exactly these moments. It has up to 20 hours of battery life. Plus, when your phone needs some juice, the built-in power bank to the rescue, because the music should stop only when you decide. Number 7. Ledge Lounger, the signature slide. Want to become the coolest house in the neighborhood? Start here. The signature slide will turn a regular backyard pool into a mini water park. Made of robust UV 20 rated resin, it will resist for years of outdoor use, chlorine, and sunlight without sacrificing the high quality finish. The water delivery system is integrated. The climbing is easy due to the wide, textured steps and the sturdy handrails. Children will not want to leave the pool. Number 6. Lifebuoy Solo Pool Alarm. Some pool gadgets are about fun. This one is about peace of mind. The Lifebuoy Solo Pool Alarm continuously watches your pool using advanced surface impact detection technology. If someone or something unexpectedly enters the water, an extra loud alarm activates immediately. No complicated wiring, no monthly subscription, just a simple setup and dependable protection. The companion app lets you customize settings, schedule quiet hours, and receive firmware updates with ease. It's one of those products you hope never has to save the day, but you'll be glad it's there if it does. Number 5. GoSports Splash Hoop. Elite swimming is fun, but adding basketball? That's next level. The GoSports Splash Hoop Elite brings a full-size basketball experience directly into your backyard pool. A massive shatterproof backboard, a regulation steel rim, and an adjustable hoop height make every game feel surprisingly realistic. The heavy water-filled base keeps everything stable during intense matches, while UV-resistant materials ensure it stays looking great season after season, whether it's family competitions or weekend pool parties. This gadget guarantees hours of non-stop action. Number 4. Missoni X FUNBOY Butterfly Float. Not every pool accessory needs to be practical. Sometimes it just needs to look incredible. The Missoni X FUNBOY Butterfly Float blends luxury fashion with summer relaxation in one unforgettable design. Its oversized butterfly shape and iconic Missoni zigzag pattern instantly becomes the centerpiece of any pool. Made from premium heavyweight PVC with reinforced seams, it offers exceptional durability without sacrificing comfort. It's perfect for floating, perfect for photos, and guaranteed to get everyone's attention. Number 3. INTEX Multicolor LED Pool. Sprayer pools shouldn't only look amazing during the day. At night, this gadget completely changes the atmosphere. The INTEX Multicolor LED Pool Sprayer combines a graceful fountain with a colorful underwater light show. As water flows through the unit, a built-in hydroelectric generator powers bright red, blue, green, and white LEDs. No batteries, no electrical outlet, just moving water, creating an eye-catching nighttime display. It's relaxing, refreshing, and surprisingly mesmerizing. Number 2. Keter Cool Bar Patio Table. Nobody likes climbing out of the pool every 5 minutes for another drink. That's exactly why this exists. The Keter Cool Bar looks like a stylish side table, but twist the top and it raises into a cocktail table with a hidden insulated cooler inside. It keeps drinks, snacks, and ice chilled for hours while giving guests the perfect place to gather. It's a cooler, a coffee table, and a cocktail table, all in one sleek design. Simple idea, brilliant execution. Number 1. Aiper Scuba X 1 Pro Max. And finally, the gadget that may completely change how you maintain your swimming pool. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max is more than just a robotic cleaner. It's practically an automated pool maintenance system. It handles the floor, the walls, the waterline, surface debris, and even helps improve water clarity. Intelligent navigation maps the most efficient cleaning path, while powerful suction removes everything from fine sand to large leaves with ease. Dual filtration captures microscopic particles for crystal clear water, while obstacle detection, wall climbing, and smart cleaning modes ensure almost no area gets missed. Control everything from your smartphone, recharge it, drop it into the pool, then let it do the hard work while you simply enjoy the water. Now that's what smart summer living looks like. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for coolest gadgets videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.